So, people have been asking me if I repair controllers, and yeah, of course I do. Here we have one, for example, that's been completely broken and destroyed. I don't know what's the story here. Maybe someone played FIFA, and you can see the left one is especially gone. Can't even pull up on the stick with this. And the left one is also gone. So we can replace this with some TMR sticks right there. And these will basically make sure so you never get stick drift again. So let's do that. And here it is, here's the motherboard. Here's the sticks. And we need to remove this, so I'll remove them with hot air. Okay, so here we are. We have removed all the solder from the holes. We have removed all the solder from the through holes. And we can do a little bit more cleanup after we're done, but basically there's no damage on the through holes. Everything looks nice and neat. No burnt plastics. This is how you want it to look before you put in the TMR sticks, which we are going to do now. So all we need to do is fit them in, and then we can solder them back. So here we are on our DualShock calibration and testing. So let's see what's going on with the sticks. And as you can see, there's no drifting. The sticks are perfectly in center. The buttons are working. Triggers good. Okay, so we have our PS5 DualSense controller done and repaired with some nice TMR sticks. And the condition is alright. It's a little bit pre-owned. No one has been playing FIFA on this, but yeah, this one is now good to go back in circulation.